Hey guys, welcome to What's Inside video, and we're going to see what's inside a very old radio, CD player, whatever.
Okay, let's go ahead and take apart all these screws.
Drilling everything.
Make sure everything lifts off nice and easy off it.
Yeah, and all I can do is 39 minutes and 43 seconds. It's not going to be that long.
So what do you think is going to be inside it?
I don't really know.
I'd say it might be a little hamster running on a wheel, making all the mechanisms go around.
Okay, that would be cool. Ryan, get your arm or what? Hey! What's strawberries over here?
Whoa, this is the first part.
Oh!
This is interesting. Now, let's
There's
see.
a big massive microchip, whatever them things are called.
That is a massive microchip. Let's have a good look inside there. Whoa, a lot of stuff in there now. Microchips and spinning wheels. Now let's see, I wonder what happens if we just pull this off. Pull that off. Pull this off. Pull all these things off. Oh yeah. It's very interesting. We see how it works.
Ooh. I don't actually get how it works. Well, I don't even get it. Well, I don't even have a clue what's inside.
Let's see what's inside this part. This is where the CDs used to go around, where the CDs were played from. In this part here, this is the CD reader.
Sorry guys, that's facing out to the roof.
So when we lift off this little piece of wood, we're going to see the back of a CD reader. Just keep taking a few more screws out. Let's see what happens. Let's see where we go. Might be some interesting stuff in here. Could be nothing in here. So is this the first time you've done a What's Inside video, Darragh?
Yeah.
Is it something you'd like to do in the future, or something you enjoy doing?
Yeah. Yeah, like clip of pictures.
Share some information with your friends, subscribers.
Yeah.
So this is the turntable for the for selecting the CDs.
Gross.
And it turns around. It could select any of 5 CDs.
Very gross.
Yeah, right. Don't be wiping your snats around this. Wipe it over there somewhere. Hey, that's right, snot there. That's really cool. I'm sure everyone will want to know what's inside that. Where that came from.
Yeah. That's what all the CDs used to land on.
Yeah, that was where the CDs would land, and that was the selector, and that would fire the CD into the CD reader. So it goes from the turntable to the selector to the reader.
But this is very, very interesting.
Yeah?
Like Fritz says when he goes to school.
Yeah?
He keeps on saying interesting.
Interesting. Well, there's some nice parts in there now.
Keeps on saying.
Do you think that stuff would have been inside there, Darragh?
She said, hey.
And this part I'm taking off now,
To have
that's the motor.
what used to get it
The motor
playing.
would, yeah, that motor would spin around the CD, and that's how you hear it.
And to get it playing.
But select
And isn't everything this sharp?
So that was interesting enough with that part. Now let's see what's inside here. Oh, Ryan, did you fart?
Oh.
Someone's stinking.
Oh.
It must be snot.
Oh my god, you guys are lucky you can't smell that.
That is the most disgusting smelling snot I ever smelled. I hope we don't have to put this back together.
You don't. Why would you have to put it back together?
Let's try get it working again, see if we can listen to some music on it. Or we can turn it into a robot.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Making stuff from when they were broken.
So this is the clock for the digital readout. It will tell you what number CD you were on.
Yeah.
Or
so it's kind of like one of those,
yeah,
but that one's way better.
Display, that's a more modern display. This was just kind of one of the first
types of radios.
Digital readouts.
Yeah.
And those were all the old type of LEDs.
Yeah. So this bit here would have went
into that part there. Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. There.
Yeah.
That bit.
And there are a few switches there. And you press the little button at the front.
Yeah.
You were controlling these.
Yeah.
And
they're all the little four
LED
buttons.
light emitting diodes. That's what they were called.
And this is like a little robot with a cake. Well, no one must be using this. Ryan, do you think people will be looking at this video right now?
Now, this thing here that we're taking off now was to show you what frequency you're on for the radio. It could be on AM or FM between 70 and 107. Between 70 and 107. For to get your frequency for whatever channel radio you want to be on. That's what that wheel is for.
What is that smell?
I think that must be still your snot that we're smelling, right?
No, maybe it must be the noise of that.
Oh, yeah.
The smell.
That's basically it now. That's nearly all that's inside. An old CD player. All these bits and pieces of things.
Cool.
And that's the tape player down there. I don't know if you can see right down there into that part. That's where they used to play the old cassette tapes. Anyone that's not 30 years old probably wouldn't realise what a cassette tape is because they're like dinosaurs now. They're fairly prehistoric. Do you remember what an old cassette tape was, Darragh?
Is it these square things that have little circles in the middle of them?
Yep.
Yeah, I've seen them on cartoons.
On cartoons. Yeah.
Dad, lift that up.
That's what I used to listen to music on when I was small, was a cassette tape. We used to, when we wanted music, we'd have to record it off the radio, and you'd have to be waiting to hit the stop button at the right time so you didn't miss the end of the song or get the DJ talking when he came back on at the end of the song. So you had to be very quick with when you were pushing the stop button. So now that's it. That's basically all we have to show you for today. The inside of the old CD player, radio, cassette player.
Take this whole thing out. That's all it's on the bottom.
That's it now. That's how it works.
And now
these are all resistors and transistors. They control the power and the frequencies and the waves going between all the different parts of the electrodes.
No one.
And now it's never going to work again. So we'll have to send that to Ireland, the recycling company that take all this stuff, separate it, melt it down into its respective components, and it'll come back as a brand new CD player for somebody's car in 2 years' time.
How do you know 2 years' time?
That's about the time it takes to process all the materials that gets sent away to the recycling facilities.
Lift it! So you'll be 39. Ryan will be 6. And I will be 9.
I won't be 39.
Yeah, you will.
I'll be 25.
No, you won't. Not like you're 23. You don't look like you're 23.
Thanks, Darragh. Okay, that's it. Signing off. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll update you with another see what's inside video in a couple of weeks' time.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.